Hi there, welcome back to Repairing Lawnmowers for Profit. I'm running a Mowers. I've just sold a Mountfield early today, and just a quick update video really. The Honda, I had a big Honda one down here. If you remember back to a couple of videos ago, let's see if I can see you. If you remember back to a couple of videos ago, I actually paid, I think it was £65 from that, and it was a chap in Huddersfield. On a bit of an angle here, huh? It's a bit like the back cave. Anyway, I had that on Facebook Marketplace, which I've been harping on about. I had it on at £220 and the weather's not even picked up yet. So yesterday I looked and it actually tells you how many views you've had on Facebook Marketplace, and I've had like over 500 views on that. So obviously a lot of people have seen it and thought that was too much money, so I dropped it, and Facebook suggests a price to drop it to. Anyway, it dropped it to £200, £198 to be exact. And a chap's just come now. Checking him. So I don't normally do that, but he's actually just paid me in cash £200 there, I think. Yeah, there's £200 there, and I paid 65, so £135 profit. And if we actually look back at what I've done with that lawnmower, I've actually done nothing. It was from a chap in Huddersfield, and he got somebody to bring it over who was visiting relatives in York, where I live. And he brought it, and all I did, if you remember back to a couple of videos ago, I cleaned it off outside with a hosepipe. I put 6 or 7 pictures on in my garden and I sold it. That's it. I didn't even service it. I should have done, really. I didn't tell him I had. I told him I had not touched it. He said, "Have you serviced it?" I said, "No." I said, "I bought it and I'm just selling it on." But basically I made £135 there, just for washing something with a hosepipe and taking some decent photographs. Now if you look back to the videos before, I actually showed you the photograph of this for sale, and all you could see was the front half of this mower with the wheels, and I could just about see the Honda badge on it. So you've really got to look out for these things. I've just made like £130 there, just for washing something off with a hosepipe and putting some videos on Facebook. There's no fees on that. That's done, it's sold. The guy came, and rightly so, he wanted to have a good look at this mower. He had a good look round it underneath. He wanted me to show him it working, all the cables. And this is one of the reasons that you have to make sure things are right when you go and sell them. I mean, I don't know of another little business you can start from home where you can make that sort of money from cleaning something with a hosepipe and posting it on Facebook. There's no fees. I'm not saying it's always like this. As you've seen, I've had some real pigs of lawnmowers over the years. I've had to, sometimes I fixed one up one day, back on the videos, and brought it back in the garage and the handle snapped off at the base. I've had some real drastic things go on. But sometimes you get a mower like that and you make yourself a small fortune for, you know, half an hour's work. So that's gone, and that's a great sale. Now, I've got that money. That's like £130 profit, let's say. I can reinvest that now. I could go back on Facebook or eBay or Gumtree, as someone suggested, and I can look. I could probably get 3 little Mountfield mowers for that, or Briggs and Stratton ones for that, and maybe make £20–30 a time or £40 a time on those. And all of a sudden you've got like a profit of sort of £250–300. And it's only the beginning of April and no one's even cut the grass around here yet. So it's a great time to get started now. I think it's the 4th or 5th of April today. 5th of April. Get yourself started doing this and I'll help you. If you're not sure what something's worth, ask me. I have a Facebook page, Repairing Lawnmowers for Profit. Someone messaged me today saying, "I've seen this lawnmower, he wants £10 for it. Do you think it's worth a punt?" You know, that means, do you think it's worth getting? And I was like, yeah. For £10, yeah, just get it. If you can get it running, it's got to be worth 30 surely for somebody who just, you know, needs to cut the grass. So I'll stop waffling on, but that's a great sale and it's a good feeling, and it's nothing that anybody else can't start doing today. So that was just a quick update on the Honda, and I'm down to a couple of Mountfields now, so I'm going to get myself back online and let's see what else we can pick up. Hopefully something as good as that, and we'll earn ourselves some extra income. Thanks for watching. Particularly thanks for subscribing. A lot of people have subscribed recently as well, and that's fantastic as well. And I'll get back when I've got some more repairs to do shortly. Thanks for watching.